Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So in this video, Thomas and I, we are going to be trying to take and destroy a railroad track anvil and see if it holds up better than the Harbor Freight anvil. We've been asked this question, and so we're going to answer it today and see how well this anvil holds up as opposed to the Harbor Freight. If you haven't seen that video, I will leave that linked up down in the description down below. Please go check that video out. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so we're going to try to keep our blows right in the center, Thomas, or moving out to the edges, but we're going to try to avoid the edges as much as possible, that way we don't chip something out. And we'll see if it at least survives more blows than the Harbor Freight did. What was that, 23 by my count? I think it was 23 blows. All right, we ready? We've got to find a better way of attaching these things. See if I can give it one more whack. I felt robbed. Well, the rail track survived, but I don't think the Thomas did. So, as you can see, the rail track anvil held up just fine. It's a stretch to call it an anvil. It's just a piece of railroad track. A lot of people have that out in their shop. So if you ever wanted to know how well it would hold up opposed to a Harbor Freight anvil, now you do. Obviously, it held up to a lot more strikes than the Harbor Freight anvil. Spoiler alert, if you haven't seen that video just yet, you should. It'll be linked up in the description again. And but, you know, it held up a lot better than that, as you would think it would, because it is a steel. It's a piece of steel, and a fairly good quality piece of steel to be smacking on. With all of that being said, you should not be doing hard hammering blows with big sledgehammers or small hand hammers cold on an anvil surface. You're just asking to destroy something, and that's never any good. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. Put down in the comment section what video you would like to see us do next and what type of testing you would like to see us do next here at Christ Center Ironworks, and we would love to take and do that. Thank you to all the channel members that make this content possible. God bless. We'll catch you on the next one.